How's it going, YouTube Tech here? So today I'm testing the new iPhone 17 against water, just like I do every time I get my hands on a water resistant device. So hit that subscribe button before we begin. Now this video isn't about finding how long it takes water to kill the iPhone 17. It's more about what actually happens if your phone comes in contact with water in real life. Although what I have here is just a fresh, clean tap water free of calcium, not pool water or ocean water. So let's keep it real. This rating is not for deep diving, it's for those oops moment, accidental splashes, rain, or that one overconfident pool selfie. Because the ones that companies do are actually in a very controlled environment in their labs with fresh and clean water or anything else. So it's for practical everyday users, people who don't perform water tests daily but still want to know if their iPhones can handle a little water without turning into a very expensive paperweight. Hence, water resistant doesn't mean waterproof, and that's something to keep in mind. So the iPhone 17 is rated IP68, which means it can handle water up to 6 meters deep for around 30 minutes. So as usual, I will be submerging it for about a minute and then testing its different components to see if everything still works fine afterwards. Alright, let's go for a second round, but not the same way. Your iPhone isn't always going to come in contact with water calmly, right? So this time I'm going for a little more aggressive approach just to see how it handles a few realistic splashes or a bit of rough contact. And as earlier I was shooting, I think it was already raining. It was not that much, but yeah, it's still raining just a little bit. So that's that. Alright, so we are done with both the test, and as you must have seen earlier, all the components are working, like the screens, action and the capture button, the camera button. It sounds as good as ever, and it does detect charging and wired AirPods. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for bearing with me. Be with me again in my next video. Peace out.